Most people get this wrong when choosing a scheduling app for field service. They focus on flashy features and ignore the one thing that actually matters: whether the software helps technicians get to jobs faster and keeps the schedule organized when things change. Here's the truth no one tells you. The best scheduling app isn't always the most expensive one. In this video you'll discover the best scheduling apps for field service in 2026, who each platform is best for, and how to choose the right one based on the size of your business. By the end, you'll know exactly which option deserves your attention. Let's get straight to it. If you're running a small field service business, Housecall Pro remains one of the strongest choices. It offers drag-and-drop scheduling, customer communication tools, invoicing, and technician tracking in a simple interface. Imagine Jake running a plumbing company with 5 technicians. He can schedule jobs, send reminders, and track daily operations without needing extensive training. But here's the problem. As your company grows, simple scheduling may not be enough. That's where ServiceTitan enters the conversation. ServiceTitan is designed for larger service businesses that need advanced dispatching, reporting, call tracking, and workflow automation. If Alex manages a growing HVAC company with dozens of technicians, ServiceTitan can help coordinate complex schedules and improve operational visibility. Now here's where it gets interesting. For companies looking for a balance between power and affordability, FieldPulse continues to gain attention in 2026. It offers scheduling, estimates, work orders, and customer management without the complexity of some enterprise platforms. Many small and mid-sized teams find it easier to adopt. In a minute I'll show you the option that many growing companies overlook. That option is Jobber. Jobber remains a favorite among landscaping, cleaning, and maintenance businesses. Its scheduling system is intuitive, mobile-friendly, and designed to help teams manage recurring jobs efficiently. This is especially useful if your business relies on repeat customers. This is where most people fail. They choose software based only on current needs. The smarter approach is choosing software that can support your next stage of growth. Another strong contender is Workiz. Workiz focuses heavily on dispatching, technician tracking, and communication. For service businesses that receive a high volume of calls and bookings, these features can create major efficiency improvements. So which scheduling app is actually the best? For small businesses, Housecall Pro is often the easiest choice. For growing teams that want flexibility, Jobber and FieldPulse offer excellent value. For larger operations with advanced requirements, ServiceTitan is usually the strongest option. And for dispatch-focused businesses, Workiz deserves serious consideration. The right choice depends on your team size, budget, and future growth plans. To recap, don't just compare features. Focus on scheduling efficiency, ease of use, mobile access, dispatching capabilities, and scalability. Those factors will have the biggest impact on your daily operations. If this video helped you find the right scheduling software for your field service business, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing which platform you're considering in 2026.